Good day, my friends. Walter here. Most of my viewers know I've spent the last week working hard around back behind the garage, cutting bush and vines, removing fence, cleaning up around the pole that got totally out of control. Today is more of a, I might get a little done today. I ain't gonna rule that out, depending on how energetic I get. Right now we're out by the garage. Kind of been taking it easy today. Time to drag out the monstrosity. The wood chipping machine. Hadn't been run in several years. It was brand new when I put it away, but it had gasoline in it. And you can very well bet it might be ruined in the carburetor from that cheap ethanol gas. But we're going to drag it out today and at least try to see if we can get it running. Might have to work on it before I can actually chop up my bushes. Well, I can tell you right offhand, it's got a flat tire. Great. Two flat tires. It's a CS 4325 Troy-Bilt Wood Tiller. Wood Chipper. Sure got my fingers crossed that that thing will run, but I think I should concentrate on getting the old gas out of there before we do anything. Well, wouldn't you know it, the tank appears to be empty. That means it dried up in there. I almost bet it needs a carburetor rebuilt. Wouldn't I be lucky if I pull the rope when it starts? Now, this thing is not the easiest thing in the world to pull the rope on. It's got a big heavy crank or something in there that it's really hard to pull over. It don't pull like trying to start a lawnmower. I'm going to stop the video at this point and do a little maintenance, like pumping up the tires and maybe even spray a little carburetor cleaner in it and let it soak a little bit. It wouldn't kill me to try that. Alright, I've been working on the tiller just a little bit. Got more to do. I blowed up the tires, which didn't take much air at all because they're so small. Blew the spider webs off of it, sprayed a little carburetor spray down in the gas tank. Now I think I'll take off the air filter, maybe squirt some carb cleaner down in the carburetor. I might even take the bowl off the carburetor, depending on how much I can get soaked inside the carburetor there. I might be able to just pull the rope a few times, get it to go in there and sit around for a little bit. cover back on, air filter on. Since I'm aware of how corrosive ethanol gas is, and there's a possibility the carburetor gaskets are going to be rotted out or decayed, I'm going to pour some gasoline in there and look real good on there for any kind of leaks before I try to pull it over. I sure wouldn't want to catch it on fire. I know from experience gasoline will burn. My first car was a 1957 Ford, had a Thunderbird engine in it. I don't remember the horsepower, but it was a pretty nice little engine. It was automatic. Well, it had a leak around the carburetor. Every once in a while it would catch on fire and had to jump out, raise the hood, and beat the flames out of it with a rag or a cloth. I never did fix that carburetor. It would run like a scalded dog, though. A couple of times I had to put the fire out. Being young and careless, we didn't think about things like that. Alright, the question is, will this monstrosity run? I'd say the chances maybe 50-50. What this thing is a bag. You're supposed to tie it around that outlet around there and catch all the wood chips. Well, I tried that last time I did this, and I was emptying wood chips out of it every 15 minutes, and that's a heavy bag when it's full of wood chips. We're going to, provided we get it running, we're going to take this out to the back of the property and just pile them wood chips up on the ground. Someday when they're rotted, I'll use them for mulch around the garden somewhere. I ain't overexerting myself using that catcher bag. Alright, we might as well pull the rope and see what happens. Let's see, that looks like a rabbit over there. That's choke. I don't think this has to be down to run with it. Put it down anyway. If any critters in there better get out, because we're fixing to pull the rope. And I know it won't start on the first crank, but I'll tell you what, let's just turn it over. Forgot something. Check the oil, just a minute. Alright, the oil has been checked. This is take 2. If it does get to running, we're going to run a little while before we do anything. Alright, here we go. That's not good. I thought it would put some gas in the spark plug. We might give that a whirl. Take 3. Alright, I sprayed a little carburetor cleaner down inside the cylinder. Probably won't do a bit of this. We got to clean the carburetor.